Hello, hello, and welcome in, my friends. This is Dion with the Blushing Mint. Thank you for taking a minute out of your day to pop in and see what's happening here at the Blushing Mint studio. I am so happy you have joined me. Today, I am going to do a quick flip through of this Nature's Notebook Journal. This features digital kits from Chapter 1 papers. I'm doing her Nature's Notebook Junk Journal kit and her Antique Patterns kit. So that's what I created this journal from. This is a trifold envelope style journal, and it's a Folio Style Journal. It's one signature. It is fairly unadorned. This is pretty much just a journaler's journal that you can take and make your own. So that is how this journal has been created. I've used two envelopes, one being a window envelope that I've put this lovely image from one of the kits on. And then you open it up, and I've got a couple little tags here on some hand-dyed paper, tucked in a little tuck spot there. And then we have our single signature for this journal. I don't even know how many pages are in here. I guess I could count them, but anyway, there's our little pocket here. I guess I could get my little tag here. So we've got a little pocket here, tons and tons and tons of spaces to just journal. That's what this is. This is a journaling journal. Many are just over adorned that I usually do, and so I want to do just some basic things that you can journal in and create yourself. Pocket there, journaling space here, coffee dyed papers, another little pocket here, some decoupage paper, center of the signature here, pocket here, a flip here. Inside here we've got a little journaling card there with some lace trim on that handmade envelope. This is a pocket here, more decoupaged tracing paper, a flip out, and this is a big tuck spot here. Another little flip out area there. This is a tuck spot here for a little pocket. A little short page. I love those little short pages. Flip out here for extra journaling, lace dyed papers there. And then our back, we've got a little tuck here. And then we have a little belly band here that has a journaling card there. And then in this pocket here, we have two tags that are on that coffee dyed paper there in that pocket. And we have another tag here. And we have this big full-size sheet of lace dyed paper here that is just tons and tons of journaling space there, tucked into that little side pocket there. So that is this sweet little journal. So let's see, how many pages did it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times 2 is 28, times 4 is 56. So 56 basic pages, or I don't know, friends. Gosh, now that I did that, it's completely confused myself. $14 times 2 is 28, so that's 28 times 2 is 56. Yes, friends, I am not a mathematician. It is not something that I do. That is my daughter's specialty. So anyway, 56 pages, front and back. and just a ton of space to journal here. So this is our Nature's Notebook Junk Journal, Folio Style Junk Journal. So I hope this one is available. If you are interested, comment below. Otherwise, it will go up on my website, blushingmint.com. And you can check it out there. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial of how to do these videos or how to do these journals. They're just fun. They're super simple and super fun, and they're using our junk mail envelopes, which is fabulous if you're a keeper of your junk mail. So let me know what you think of this one. Comment below and tell me if you're going to try to create one of these envelope folio style journals. And in the meantime, friends, take care, be well, and we'll chat again in the next video. Bye-bye.